Hey, this is Divyanshu and you're watching Tech Stakes. And today I'm gonna cover the topic Pubg Lite registration. Last year, Pubg team introduced a lighter version of the game by the name of the Pubg Lite. The idea behind Pubg Lite is to offer the full Pubg experience to players on low-end laptops. Pubg Lite beta registration event has been opened up in India. Interested player will be able to register until July 3. Now I will tell you how to register for an event. Interested players can log in into Pubg Lite website and create an account for free. If you already have an account registered with Pubg, all you need to do is log in. Once you are logged in, user will need to click on the participate event button, following which the website asks the players to link the account with existing account on Steam, Xbox and PS4. Thank you guys for watching. See you tomorrow with new video.